Hello everyone, welcome to Jetway. Today we will introduce you our AiSEMI Multi, which is an AI thermal imaging multi-person temperature screening system. During a global pandemic, facilities are required to monitor the temperature of people entering buildings in order to help provide a safe environment. If the temperature reading is above 37.5 degrees Celsius or 99.5 degrees Fahrenheit, the AiSEMI Multi will show a red warning light, an audible notification, and log the data right on the screen. When people approach AiSEMI Multi, it will simultaneously detect 8 to 10 faces of people and their temperatures with 3 times 2 meter area. AiSEMI Multi will show the results button on the screen without having to touch anything. The temperature screening takes less than 0.1 second and the sensor is accurate to plus or minus 0.3 degrees. AiSEMI Multi uses 1080 pixels cameras that provides high definition picture quality. An administrator can customize most of the settings such as temperatures, distance, warning sound, and warning light. AiSEMI Multi comes with the Linux host system and a 32 inches or 43 inches screen as an option. AiSEMI Multi is a great product for small businesses, factories, smart communities, schools, and hotels. If you need more product information, please contact us.